Sunday the 28th. I just come out today and walking around here in nature to see how the human being can find his peace and walking around and try to understand yourself by encountering the natures, the green, the birds. You know, the most of the time the people they will go to find people. That's wrong. They go to find people because they want to talk and tell things about themselves. While the human, the human natures, everyone has his own way of thinking. But you could ask an opinion to someone else. He will tell you things what he thinks for him interest is. But if you go find the natures and you look into the natures, the reactions of the natures, animal, plants, and everything, the peace, the natures will tell you what you should think about your own imagination and creations. So they're all about the philosophy. But but a human being is so complicated. You will ask a question to someone else who has a problem also. You know. So I'm walking around and enjoying the peace, and this is wonderful. Yeah. So let's see. Let's find out. Uh, in the 1920s, Mr. Leopold, the King of Belgium, used to come over. He walked around before he went to Africa.